Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be chatting all about this Crosby lock shoulder bag from WALLACE. I'm in the middle of recording, but you think I stopped.
Sorry. Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video.
Minecraft video.
You should put this in the blooper takes. Hi people. Hi. She's really good, isn't she? She's so good.
Awesome. Yeah. Bet I don't.
Bet you don't.
How's your day? Good?
Awesome. I'm gonna go for a run with you. You wanna go for a run with me?
No, but I'll go for a walk with you.
Oh, I'll go for a walk with you. That's cool.
Okay, deal. All right, let me finish up and then I'll be done.
Okay. Bye people. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow.
Get out of here. All right, so I just finished up recording a first look video on some recent stuff that I grabbed from WALLACE, and I knew immediately that I wanted to go into more detail with this Crosby lock shoulder bag because it is my absolute favorite thing that I bought this month from WALLACE, and I think it might top like one of my favorite styles. I know I'm being very adventurous in saying that right off the bat without even packing it up, but if you know, you know. You can just tell when you have a bag if it's going to be one that you like and a style that you're going to end up using a lot, and I think this is going to be one of them. So I'm going to walk you through the bag really quickly, and then I want to put the camera down and show you how it packs up. I know I'm in a little bit different of a setting than I typically am. I'm kind of trying this out for a couple of videos, but I will go ahead and try this one on for you over on Instagram or somewhere. I will post a picture so that you can see kind of how it does look against the body, because I know that is important to a lot of you. So I will make sure that I share that somewhere. All right, so this bag, as you can see, is horizontal in its orientation. It does have a really pretty lock here. In the same color of the bag, which is espresso. So it's like a very like deep chocolate brown. It's similar to walnut. I'm trying to think if I have anything of walnut. I do have let me actually go grab that because it might be helpful in seeing the color. Okay, so this is my walnut colored medium metro tote that I am like obsessed with. I have carried this so many times and it is one of my favorites that I love. And this is what the color looks like. I know it's a little bit harder since this is kind of different material, but you can definitely see the color contrast here. So walnut is a little bit, I don't know, like it's not as deep of a chocolate in my opinion as the espresso here. So this one's a little bit darker, whereas that one's just a little bit kind of brighter in color. If you can really see through the camera. I feel like it's picking it up, like the color wise in here. You can definitely see like the difference of the two. So back to the shoulder bag here. So you do have obviously the lock right here, and you have the little keychain or tassel over here on this side that actually has, if I can push it down in here and show you guys, it has the key to the lock inside of the bag here, which is kind of cool. So you can use that on the lock and take this off and do whatever you want with it. I never use it. I actually don't really care for it sticking off the side of my bag, but some of you might like it. So it's a cute little kind of feature there. And then the only exterior pockets on this bag is in the very back. So you have a nice big zipped pocket here that goes the entire width of the bag and goes down. It's a really big pocket. It's about like halfway on the bag here, a little bit more, and it opens up really nice and wide. You could easily put like your keys, your phone, your wallet if you wanted to, and it would be nice and like secure because there is like a zip pocket. It's not just like an open flat pocket. So that's pretty cool. And then when you open up the bag, the flap opens all the way down. So it hangs down on the back of the bag here so that you can easily get everything inside. There's no zippers, no pockets, nothing there. It's just the flap that kind of falls down, and the zipper goes all the way across. So it is fully closed on this bag. You don't have to worry about anything falling out, especially because this bag opens nice and wide, like super big. You can get everything in and out of here really easily. And it's awesome. You have a zip pocket here and you have some like regular pockets here. You can fit a book in here, a planner, Kindle. Let me actually grab here. I have my book and my notebook just to show you that fits down in there. No problem at all. This bag can be carried a couple of different ways. You can obviously wear it as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. You have 3 different straps that come with this one. My favorite, of course, is this leather wrapped kind of chain strap here that looks so good against this bag. I love it. This will be one that I think I always have on the bag, just kind of as like an accent. I typically don't take them off. And then you also have this leather, just plain kind of leather strap that's a little bit more dressy or classy looking. And it has a couple of adjustments on it. So if you want it shorter or if you want it longer, you have the flexibility to do that with this strap. And then you have one that's a little bit more casual, and it is this here kind of seatbelt strap. And you can easily adjust that one to be a little bit longer so that you can comfortably wear that crossbody. You can put all the straps on the bag and just leave them on there. You can just put on the ones that you're using. So it's really flexible in whatever like feel or however you want to wear it. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down and pack this one up, because I think this is one that is really going to be telling as to what fits inside and how the bag really kind of feels when it's fully packed. I will also have a link to my What's in My Bag blog post page. That lives on my blog. I try so hard to update it frequently, and it has like a list of my favorite wallets, pouches, gadgets, books, planners, like things that you would frequently see in some of my videos. So if you're looking for a link, the odds are you'll probably find it there. But if not, please reach out, because I'm always happy to help. All right, here the bag is all packed up. I decided to use these 2 straps for the moment. I've been carrying it now last night and all day today, and I really like the way that it's packed. I know I said that I would, and I do. I really think that it packs perfectly. Now I want to start off by saying that I do have a lot packed inside here. So obviously if you don't pack it this full, it's going to be a little bit more like squishy and not as structured. Like you'll see here in a minute, I have a hardback book inside here. So even if you were to pack like a paper bag or a Kindle or things of that nature, it's obviously just, it's not going to be quite this structured, but I like the way it packs, and I like that I'm able to carry these things inside. So let's go ahead and get through it. Over here on the side, I do have a new Power Mist hand sanitizer that Touchland sent me that I love. I have quite the collection now of Touchland body mists and their hand sanitizer, and this one is brand new. It is called Confetti Cake, and it smells exactly like that. It's kind of fun. It has like some sparkles in it. Let me see if I can show you guys up close. All right, so here it is up close. You guys can see that there's little kind of confetti sparkles throughout the hand sanitizer and on the silicone case on the outside. It's not on the actual liquid, like you're not gonna spray glitter on your hands when you use it, but it does smell like vanilla cake basically. And it's not like too sweet of a scent, if that makes any sense at all. It's really good. I like it. It might be my favorite Touchland ever. And then I also have here next to it my little hobo case, and this has my AirPods tucked down inside. I've been listening to a lot of audiobooks lately, so I've been needing this to be just a little bit more accessible than I typically have it, but they hold them perfectly inside this cute little case. Then turning the bag around to the back, as we'll kind of start back there, because these are the only exterior pockets on this bag, and it's nice and big. It is a zipped pocket. You can hardly see that it's even there whenever you're like looking straight on at the bag. But back here I have a scrunchie. I also have my O-Venture key ring, and this just has all of my house keys, office keys, family keys, like all the keys like on here. And then I also have back here my wallet that I'm currently using. This is the Ondar Denner wallet, and I have my car key attached here because I'm able to just kind of grab this and go with it if I need to, and not have to carry like my big ring. I can just grab this out. My daughter had this keychain. Her name is Ella. I touched it on there, but I love this wallet. You guys see it in a ton of my videos, and it fits really good in this like back pocket here. I also have plenty of room back here for my cell phone. I have my little Clinique lip repair that I grab for all the time, so I always make sure that I have that back here, and there's still more room. Like, this pocket is just really, really big back here. Turning the bag back around, we're gonna go ahead and move on in to the inside here of the bag, there's obviously just this one little lock hook here. And when you open it up, the flap goes completely down here on the side so that you can see everything inside this bag like super easy. It does have a zipper that goes the entire way across. And then when you open it up, you have so much room. Like I mentioned, I have a big book back here. I mean, it's not super wide, but it's a hardback book, so it definitely takes up more room than most. I've been obsessed with the Book of the Month Club. I don't know if you guys have heard of that, but every single month you get to select like a new book, and I always end up buying like another extra like 1 or 2 books on there, but they're typically like pre-release books or books that are going to be coming out in the next, I don't know, 30 days or so. And that's what this one was. I always gravitate towards the romance books because that's just what I like. But this one here is Never Over. I'm only about like 1 or 2 chapters into this one, but already, like right off the bat, I've already laughed out loud. I think it's so cute and I'm excited to get into it. So that's what I have back here in the back of the book, or the back of the bag. And then I also have my little Erin Condren notebook. You guys know you see this in a lot. I carry this everywhere. And then see, just by taking those 2 items out, I mean, the bag becomes like soft and floppy. So it's just kind of however you pack it. This is my hobo sunglass holder and eyeglass holder. I have my eyeglasses on one side, sunglasses on the other. Love this so much. I shared it in a previous video and I'm obsessed with it. My L'Occitane hand cream that I never leave without. This is kind of a pricier one. I think this tube was about $20, $30, but I have had this. You can go back and look at my videos, like months I have had this and I use it all the time. So it really, really does last. If you're kind of on the fence with trying it, I highly recommend it. It's so good. So I always have that in there. I also have my little bow gold hair clip in there. I have my small little Luna pouch from MZ Wallace, and this is the leather metallic that I love. It actually holds a ton in here. I have my little pill case that I've been sharing in a couple of different videos. It has like a little pill case on top, and then the big one down here, it holds a ton of pills. Tissues in here. I have mascara, I have eye drops, I have lip gloss. It really does like hold a lot in this little tiny pouch, and it fits perfectly inside this bag. And then I don't have anything back here in this zipper pocket. And then in these front pockets, I just have a couple of pens. I also have a pack of gum, and then I have my Touchland body mist inside this little silicone case. This is in the scent, what is this one? Because I really like it. Lush Tropical. And it smells really good. So I have that down in there as well. And that is everything I've packed inside this bag. As you can see, like without like the book and everything, it opens up so wide. There's a lot of room. It's just fantastic. I am a big fan. Alright, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this Crosby lock shoulder bag from MZ Wallace. I will have my link to this bag as well as my link to my what's in my bag all down below should you need or want to shop anything that I shared today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye.